Blueline Rock Grizzly, bringing the future into the now.
Blueline Rock Grizzly. Blueline Rock Grizzly.
Hey guys, this is David over at Blueline Rock Grizzly, and this is a 4.5 yard 8-2 with a 1.5 inch screen overlay. Blueline Rock Grizzlies are built right for big loaders. Special thank you to Jim Powell over at Coastline Equipment. This Grizzly is going over to Meridian, Idaho for that market over there. So this Blueline Rock Grizzly, guys, is a rental grade model. It's a little bit stronger, a little bit more durable than the standard model, which is also still very durable and very strong. But sometimes when you rent these things out, you gotta beef them up. And that's exactly what this thing is. Once again, very special thanks to Jim over at Coastline Equipment for the relationship and for the purchase of this awesome heavy duty rental grade high performance Blueline Rock Grizzly. When you purchase a Blueline Rock Grizzly, it's literally a legacy play. That means that this is gonna outlive your grandson, your grandson's grandson, and still be durable enough to provide high performance processing out in the field. This is a clear departure from doing things the old way. So this machine is masterfully engineered to provide performance, safety, and service life, adding value one bucket at a time. Big Grizzlies built right for big loaders.
Blueline Rock Grizzly. Come on.